In a factory setting, recurring problems can be incredibly frustrating and disruptive. These persistent issues often arise from a lack of deep problem-solving strategies. So to solve a problem, we may go through a surface-level fix which provides a quick temporary solution by addressing visible symptoms. But the problem will return without tackling the root cause. Lots of factories often make this mistake. However, the problem is not easily apparent in deep problem-solving and often requires tools such as fault tree analysis, 5 FMEA, and team effort. Fixing the real root cause and ensuring long-term, sustainable solutions that prevent the recurrence of the problem. It is deep problem-solving that moves the needle on KPI. Let's understand this in more depth. Let's consider an example of a car pulling to one side. The surface-level fix can be adjusting the steering wheel or inflating the tires. But this is only a temporary fix, and surely the problem will come back. With a deeper analysis using fault tree analysis and 5 whys, the wheel alignment engineering specs such as caster, camber, and toe are adjusted, thus eliminating the true root cause and sustainably solving the problem. Introducing SolveNext, the software designed to help your team solve problems at their root. With 30+ integrated tools and a structured approach so that you can foster a culture of deep problem-solving and lasting solutions. Request a demo of SolveNext today or visit orcalean.com.